Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is Sasastra Simapal or Armed Border Force is a border guarding force of India deployed along border with Nepal and Bhutan. It is one of the 7 Central Armed Police Forces CAPF under the administrative control of MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs. Motto: Service, Security and Brotherhood. Agency overview: formed 20 December 1963, 59 years ago. Employee 94,261 active personnel. Annual budget rupees 8,329.10 crore. US dollar 1 billion 2023 to 24. Jurisdictional structure: Federal Agency, Operation Jurisdiction India. Governing body: MHA India. Constituting instrument: Sastra Simapal Act 2007. General nature: Federal law enforcement. Operational structure: Headquarter New Delhi. Ministry responsible: Amit Shah, Union Home Minister. Agency executive: Rashmi Shukla, IPS Director General. Parent agency: Central Armed Police Force CAPF. Website: www.ssp.government.in. Force was originally set up under the named Special Service Bureau of 1963 in the aftermath Sino-Indian War and strengthen India border area against enemy operation. History: on 15 March 1963, following Sino-Indian War 1962, primary task of the force was provide armed support to Foreign Intelligence Division, Intelligence Bureau, which is later become a Research and Analysis Wing, RA. After creation 1968, the secondary object was inculcate feeling national belonging to the border population, assist them to developing their capability, resistance through the continuous process of motivation, training, development, welfare program and activities. Then NEFA North Assam, North Bengal, Hills, Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh program was later extended Manipur, Tripura, Jammu and 1965 Meghalaya. In 1975, Sikkim in 1976, the border area Rajasthan and Gujarat in 1989, Manipur, Mizoram and further area Rajasthan and Western Gujarat. 1988, South Bengal, Nagaland. 1989 under the Nubra Valley, Rajouri and the Poonch district, Jammu and Kashmir in 1991. Primary purpose was to act aggression by Chinese People Liberation Army. The previous thinking had been that military Chinese were superior to India and even war Chinese might attempt to overwhelm India forces. So 1963 unique force was created which would even such attempt to Chinese invade, occupy Indian territory, merge with the border population. Donning civilian attire, working parallel administration and carry out war India with the help of guerrilla tactics. 2001 the SSB was transferred to MHA and RA. The assigned to duties manning Nepal and Bhutan border. SSB was renamed SSB according to new role and came under the administrative control of MHA. This was done after the Kargil war and the adoption on a one border one force concept. SSB claim have been present began phase of government border area and that was appreciated with the people those area. The recommendation: pursuant to recommendation of Group Minister reforming national security system, SSB was declared border guarding force, lead intelligence agency LIA Indo-Nepal border June 2001 and assigned task guarding 1751 km long Indo-Nepal border along with the state of Uttarakhand of the kilometer 263.7 km with 3 district, Uttar Pradesh 599.3 km with 7 district, Bihar 804 km with 7 district, West Bengal 105.6 km with 1 district, Sikkim 99 km. March 2004, SSB was assigned task of guarding 699 km stretch Indo-Bhutan border along with the state Sikkim 32 km, West Bengal 183 km with 2 districts, Assam 267 km with 4 districts, Arunachal Pradesh 217 km with two districts since the SSB rechristened into Shastra Simapal and the reached new height. SSB first border guarding force has decided to recruit women battalion doing excellent job border guard force of Indo-Nepal, Indo-Bhutan border. SSB also is engaged counter-insurgency operation Jammu and Kashmir and anti-Naxal operation Jharkhand, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. They are also performing internal security duties, election duties and law and order of duties different parts of India. SSB celebrated the year 2013 as Golden Jubilee year, making 50 years of rising celebration have commenced with the flag of Mountain Everest and expedition of 2 April 2013 from Delhi. 2014 Government India approved the Recruitment Women Compact Officer in SSB. Role: previous role Special Service Bureau was to motivate, mobilize Indian border population national security during times to peace as well as and war, promote sense security and brotherhood among the population. Furtherance national integration. Present day role consists preventing cross-border crime and smuggling as well as other anti-national activities. Pursued achieving mandated task with SSB has been conferred certain power under the Criminal Procedure Code 1973 and Arms Act 1959, NDPS Act 1985 and Passport Act of 1967. Government of India contemplates conferring additional power under the Custom Act 1962. These power are to be exercised within the belt of 15 km state Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, running along with the Indo-Nepal, Indo-Bhutan border as well as any other area. SSB organization period to 2001, the force SSB revised role of uniform wing worked under the operational commando. Civilian officer was in 1985, that is 50% quota area. Organizers for promotion rank Deputy Inspector General was given to Commandant Uniform Wing. Civil wing worked area operation AOPs along with the Indo-Tibetan border, Indo-Pakistan border. Recruitment uniform wing would be from the among Indian youth and border area of the have undergone advanced training of guerrilla warfare and also selected respective operation commanders such as by the divisional organizer, area organizer, sub-area organizer and circle organizer. The divisional organizer was equal to rank of Inspector General of Police, specially earmarked the respective AOP which was belonged to were activated. Repercussion, closer hold of role have been debated, deliberated in the defense establishment. Now relevance of old role SSB has been released for the security border area. Such role likely revived. Highest level of headquarters, the force headquarters FHQ called Director General of SSB located in the Indian capital New Delhi. Force headquarters FHQ commanded by the officer of rank Director General. The Director General assisted in the additional Director General of various directorate including operation, intelligence, personnel and training, administration, provising, commission, medical, well as other function under the DG. Each directorate headed by IG and assisted by DIG and other officer. Frontier headquarters FTR HQ commanded by an officer rank of Inspector General who is placed next chain of command at FHQ, FTR HQ turn access command and control over the sector HQ. SSB battalion commanded by officer rank of commandant and who is assistant officer rank of second in command, deputy command and assistant command. The battalion further divided into companies. Border outpost BOP 7 companies battalion, each company consisting 3 border outposts. Company commanded assistant and company BOP commanded by sub inspector, each BOP comprising several border checkpoint and personnel. Comparative wing gazetted officer GO rank group general flag officer senior officer junior officer officer cadet Shastra Simapal director general additional director general inspector general deputy inspector general commandant second in commandant deputy commandant assistant commandant non gazetted officer NGO rank group junior commission officer non commissioned officer enlisted Shastra Simapal, Subedar Major, Inspector, Sub-Inspector, Assistant Sub-Inspector, headed under the Constable. Land Snake Constable. Recruitment, Assistant Commander as appointed officer for appointed personnel below officer are recruited. Government organization through competitive examination conducted UPSC along with Assistant Commandant recruitment conducted by SSP, Sub-Inspector GD, TEL, COMN appointed through the competitive exam conducted by SSC and other special vacancy recruitment by constable and head constable different branch and also come every year generally. Training center both civil and uniform cadre SSB are equally trained various warfare and other specialized course such as guerrilla warfare, counter-insurgency, intelligent demolition, jungle snow survival, etc. Various training center within force and the training center are other organization agency. List of SSB chief before 2001. SSB was one of the 4 organizations under the Director of General Security and was headed by Director. The Director reported Principal Director DGS, who is his turner reported DG Security on shifting SSB of MHA post Principal Director. DGS was shifted alongside Director General. SSB post Director SSB got re-designated additional DG SSB list of Director Principal Director and Director of General. Thank you.